Good morning students. I welcome you all to this video. Today I am going to teach you how to find out the upper material consumption for the derby shoe using the RSM method of 0 degree pattern scale area. Now I am going to find out the pattern scale area of derby shoe inside quarter. Using the 0 degree method, first step is to draw the straight line. Keep on the graph paper any one line, parallel line, and draw the straight line. Then see anywhere on the pattern you can mark the reference point. I have taken the reference point here. So first step, keep the pattern on the graph paper and match this straight line with graph paper line. Trace the outer line. Transfer the reference point on the graph paper. Mark 1. Next, place the second pattern above the first one or below the first one. So I am choosing the pattern above the first one. So keeping this straight line, match with the graph paper line and touching the first pattern minimum 2 points. So now it is touching the first pattern and the straight line also match with the graph paper line. So now trace the outer line. Transfer the reference point on the graph paper. Mark 2. Next, rotate this pattern 180 degree. And the third pattern should touch 1 and 2. And match the straight line with graph paper line. So now it is touching 1 and 2 and matching this straight line with graph paper line. So now it's draw the outer line. Transfer the reference point on the graph paper. Mark 3. Next, the fourth pattern should touch 1 and 3 or 2 and 3. I am taking the option to touch 2 and 3. So now it is touching 2 and 3 and keep the straight line match with the graph paper line. So it's touching and see this straight line is matches the graph paper line and it is touching second and third pattern. Now transfer the reference point on the graph paper. So mark 4th. The fifth pattern should touch again you should rotate this pattern to draw a fifth pattern. So So I rotate this pattern 180 degree to draw a fifth pattern. The fifth pattern should touch 3 and 4. It has only one option. So now I keep the fifth pattern touching of 3 and 4th pattern, and match this straightly. Trace the outer line. And mark the reference point on the graph paper. Fifth pattern. See, the sixth pattern, it can touch 3 and 5 or 4 and 5. I am choosing the option to touch 4 and 5. See, for tracing the sixth pattern, there are two options. It is there. One is that 4 and 5 or 3 and 5. I am choosing this option to touch 4 and 5. It is touching 4 and 5 and keeping the straight line matching with the graph paper line. Draw a outer line. Transfer the reference point on the graph paper. So now you should join 1 and 2. Now you should join 1 and 2 reference point. One and 2 different reference point and 5 and 6 reference point. One and 2 reference point and 5 and 6 reference point. So next you join the reference point of 1 and 6. Then join the one and 5. Now you check this sides measurement. See, this side is 5.7.5 centimeters. Then this side also you check. Is coming 7.5 centimeters. Next you check these sides. See, this both sides are equal. Now I am checking this side. 37. This side is 37. Now the opposite sides are equal. Now I am going to draw a perpendicular line from the baseline. See, this is the baseline I have taken. Mark A, B, C, D. So I have taken this A and D as a baseline. From this baseline, I am going to mark a perpendicular line using this protractor. So 90 degree. This is 7 centimeters. This parallelogram formula is base into height. So base is 37 centimeters. Height is 7 centimeters. Now I am going to calculate 37 centimeter multiplying 7 centimeter. It is 259 centimeters square. So now we should convert this centimeter square into square DCM. So 1 square DCM equal to 100 centimeters square. So 259 centimeters square converting to square DCM. So it is 2.59 square DCM. So leather always we are buying in a square DCM or square feet. That's why we are converting into square DCM. So this pattern scale area, this quarter pattern scale area, in this pattern scale area 2 patterns are inside and this area is 2.59 square DCM. To make you understand, I have drawn here 2 more patterns. This parallelogram consists of 2 quarter patterns. The parts are colored in orange or 1 quarter pattern and the parts are colored in blue or another quarter patterns. With this video, we have completed all the components of Derby shoe pattern scale area using the 0 degree method.